మీరు కదలదే ఇంకా This is Tuni railway station, and the kapus, the so-called kapus, they made all this nonsense. They burned the train, asking for separate reservation for their community. India is so bad. These are all well, or rather educated fools. As you can see, this one is still burning. This pantry. All the compartments have been burned completely. It's very unfortunate.